WeatherBELL Analytics meteorologist Joe Bastardi Ghost Off video over here. This is the NAM with its 6 to 18 inches across the New York City area, all Connecticut, Rhode Island, much of New Jersey, away from the coast, getting blasted here. It looks too cold. Normally, I use a blend of the NAM and the European, which you can see there is a heck of a lot of difference over here. And again, what I think is going to happen here is very similar to the November storm, where snow comes in, it comes in thick and hard and fast, then goes over to rain. But unlike the November storm, the air mass that comes in behind this is wickedly cold and comes in fast on Sunday. So whatever is slushy will refreeze, and it may go back to snow again. So this is a difficult situation. Here's the U.S. Generate ensembles have a 3 to 6 inch storm across New York. You can see the island, I like this, gets wiped out on the east end as far as snow. And there you can see North Jersey with the foot of snow. And that's the kind of gradient we're looking at. So with that in mind, we're just going to have to stay on top of this. So taking a stand early in the week, said that remember that November storm, except much, much, much colder air coming in behind it. Speaking of cold, I want to show you this because you know, you get to this time of the year, say, okay, where are all the storms? They're coming. Here's day 1 through 8 temperatures. Here's 8 to 15. There's a run that's even colder than that. That's 15 below normal in New York for a week. Back in Chicago, it's over 25 below normal. This is the European weekly forecast. Out the next 46 days, that's 3 feet of snow up there, 2 feet of snow in this lighter color over here. And you can see that that's impressive for how much snow. And that's just the ensemble. All right. And what could happen is the ensemble's a blend of models that say not much is coming or models that say more is coming. And I believe the ones that say more is coming are going to be correct. You're seeing this weather pattern turn right on time. So I think we're on the right path here. This is the coldest run I've ever seen of a model for 46 days. Now, that's not the coldest it's been for 46 days. But when you're looking at models, folks, they're a blend of a bunch of different things. And chances are this will be the cold from January 15th to March 14th. This has a shot at being the coldest 60-day period during that time of this century. And with it will come snow, believe me. This storm right now, again, patterning it after the November storm, except once the cold air comes in at the end, everything freezes solid. There's still room for this to be a colder storm, where it's 6 inches to a foot in the city. I don't think Long Island is going to be left with much. Okay, it's going to snow then rain. There's room for a little bit warmer. You may say, well, that's easy to say. Everybody says it. Well, I'm already taking a stand. Think of the November storm. Much colder air comes in right behind it. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.